channel. Today we're opening more surprise eggs. I'm gonna open the first green egg. What dino is it? Wow! It's green! What dinosaur is this? So these are the two bodies, and these are the two parts of the head. These are two of the legs. Wait. What dinosaur is this? What the? This is a Parasaurolophus. And it's color green. What's the color? It's green! Did you know Parasaurolophuses blow music from their horns on top? They're herbivores, which means they eat plants. No meat here. On to the next egg. It's a darkish red. Now let's open it. What this is? What is this? One of my favorite dinosaurs. I think it's a T-Rex because it looks like a T-Rex to me. This is the head. There's two parts of the head. This is the body. There's two parts of the body. These are the legs and the teeny tiny arm. The head. This looks like a lizard. It looks like a lizard. Good thing this dinosaur doesn't have legs. I'm making it and touching the head. This dinosaur. The last ones are the legs. Okay. Yeah. What dinosaur is this? Tell me what dinosaur is this. It's a T-Rex. Did you know T-Rex is a bipedal carnivore, so it walks on two legs? And it also has teeny tiny arms, but they're very strong. Tyrannosaurus rex means king of the tyrant lizards. T-Rex is a carnivore, which means it eats meat. Now let's on to the next egg. This, what could it be? I don't know. Let's find out. Twist. Whoa! It looks sort of like a chicken. Why does it have those frills? I think it's a Dilophosaurus. The head part goes like two sides of the body. And these are the two legs. Sorry. Here you go, the body and the head. How can a dinosaur look like a chicken? This is a Dilophosaurus. Did you know Dilophosauruses have a big head to balance its long tail? It's a carnivore, which means it eats meat. No plants here. And it also spits venom. It's deadly. The last egg. Last one. This is the head. These are the body parts. And these are the teeny tiny arms like a T-Rex. And these are the legs. Let's build! So, this is the head. This is a huge So, we have the head and the body. Now, we put the teeny tiny arms here again. And the other leg goes. Then this is an Indominus Rex. It's a carnivore. It eats meat. No plants here. It's also a hybrid. I don't know what hybrid cross it's between, but it's just the same thing as the T-Rex. So these are all my dinosaurs. We have the T-Rex, roar. The Dilophosaurus, roar. The Indominus Rex, and the Parasaurolophus. Now let's play! Sino match a battle? I'll tell you more facts, but stay tuned for another video. Goodbye, stay cool and happy. Bye!